This is 1000 liter liquid mixing machine. Firstly, before your operation, you have to input the cooling water into the jacket. Now here, there's the heating pads. From here, you can input the cooling water from this inlet, and then the water should be flow out from this outlet, so you can start heating. You should ensure the cooling water in the jacket, otherwise the heating pipes will be easily broken. This is the hydraulic lifting elevator. Now, I cannot take the video since there is no hydraulic lifting oil inside. Now we get to the platform and operate the machine for you. This is the control panel of the machine. There are 3 indicator lights of the 3-phase electrical power, 380 volts, 3-phase. There's the homogenizer speed control and the mixer speed control by the frequency control. This is the temperature setting, temperature control. There's the voltage of the total power supply, heating, and the homogenizer. This is the homogenizer time setting. And there are the buttons and the indicator light of the each function. This is the heating, homogenizer, mixer, and the reserve. The first line are the indicator light of the working. The green buttons are the start buttons, the red buttons are the stopping buttons. These are the electrical wires inside of the case. This one is the frequency controller of the homogenizer, and this one is the mixer frequency converter. And there are the electrical wires connection. Now I'll operate to you. Firstly, you connect with your factory power supply. The 3 lights will be on, and then we try each function. Firstly, the heating. As there is no cooling water inside of the jacket, so I cannot test the heat for you, just to show you the change of the voltage to prove the heating can work if connected with electrical. Now I press the heat, the green button, and you observe the heat voltage change. Now I press heat, it change. Okay, stop, hit, and stop. This point is moving, hit, and stop. This one is the temperature set. This is the real temperature of the port. This is the setting temperature. And you can increase and decrease the temperatures. But the setting temperature should be higher than the exciting temperature, otherwise the heat cannot move. Now I set the temperature 89. Now you see the heat, it cannot start. Okay, now I increase the temperature. Okay, and try. Okay. Okay, now for the other function of the homogenizer and the mixer. You need to firstly to check the homogenizing time. This is to set the time. You can increase and decrease the time. The unit is a second. This is the frequency controller. You can increase and decrease by turn the screw. Now I start by pressing the green button. Okay, and now you can increase the speed. You can check the effect. Now increase to 50 Hz. And check the effect. When you want to stop, you can decrease the speed frequency to 0 to stop, or you can directly stop by press the green button. Now the homogenizer stop. The adjustment of the mixer is the same. Okay, now we try. Press the mixer, and you can see the frequency increase. Increase to 50. Okay, now I decrease the speed. And now I stop the mixer. Now I want to work the homogenizer and the speed together. The press. Increase to the maximum frequency. Okay, now stop. Please note the direction of the mixer is clockwise and the homogenizer is anti-clockwise. Okay. This is the lead. If you want to stop the machine, just cut off the electrical power.